Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is flat beans palya, that is Chikadikayi in Kannada. Let's begin the recipe. I just want to steam the flat beans. I'll steam this until it becomes tender. This can be even steamed in a pressure cooker, but make sure you put one ring on a perforated plate so that the water does not touch the vegetable and it can be steamed well. Into the mixie jar, dry coconut, fried ram, few garlic parts, red chilli, tamarind, salt to taste. We'll make this into a fine powder. In a pan, some oil, some mustard. When it starts crackling, I'm going to add in curry leaves, steamed flat beans, and the masala which is finely powdered. You can adjust the salt here. Saute this well until it becomes hot. Now this is hot and fine. This is ready to serve. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have not done still, do it right.